everyone, Mike Arnold, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Viacino. Another gap up just slightly above this 991.57. I'm actually going to bump up that level now based off recent price action. So we're going to be watching 994 area next week. So you can see all this key resistance right there. Closing the gap and selling off. This is a daily chart, by the way. Major support still coming in about 943, bottom of the daily rotation zone. That's what we're watching. So above 994, then we'll watch for some minor resistance about 1,012.50 and then 1,027. But all the upside levels stay the same that we've been covering for the last few days. Downside below 942 will be really focused on that 908.50. That's the critical level. This double top, potential double top, it is not validated yet. It would require a trade below 908.50 and then a confirmation would be a close below 908.50. That does trigger the next major level down. We'd be watching right where the 50-day exponential moving average coming in about 860, then 830, then 805. So still paying very close attention to that. Taking a look at that weekly chart, so we're still have not touched the rotation zone. Key area on the rotation zone is about 885 on the weekly. So if we return next week to the weekly rotation zone, do not ignore 885. There's also a weekly gap here. That official gap close would be the 885.66. So you have a gap close, top of the rotation zone, and that would also probably trigger, I mean, unless we went down there, touched it, and rallied right back up, that would probably trigger the double top or potential double top. On a bigger sell-off, the major support on the weekly is all the way down at 745 area. No other signals back out of overbought on the weekly, but you know, at some point it's going to test the rotation zone, either by drifting sideways and let the rotation zone catch up or by swiftly returning to it. That's what we're watching for on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.